In this lesson we will learn the draw command. Okay, in draw command we will learn how to draw a line, polyline and construction line. Okay, so to draw a line, just left click on the line command, and after that come to the workspace and left click anywhere on the workspace. Okay, so I am clicking here, and I want to draw a 10 feet line in x direction. Okay, so I would like to first of all turn on the ortho mode here. So click on ortho mode so that it will take the in x direction exactly and y direction exactly. So I want to draw a 10 feet line in x direction, so I will put here 10 feet, enter, and it will take 10 feet itself. Okay, so to execute this command, just click on the escape in the keyboard. Now we can see here we have created a line of 10 feet. Okay, or simply you can activate the line command by entering L in the command box. Okay, and enter. So you can see this line command has been activated. After that, left click on workspace. After that, I want to create a 5 feet line. Okay, so 5 feet and enter. So you can see the 5 feet line has created, and to exit this command, just click on escape in the keyboard. So you can see here this is a 10 feet line and this is the 5 feet line. If you want to create a line of 2 feet or 3 feet 6 inch, then how will we create? So just take the line command and click here and give 3 feet and 6 inch, 6 double apostrophe 6 inch, and enter. And you can see here, and to exit this command, click on escape in the keyboard. So you can see here this is the 3 feet 6 inch. If you want to know the dimension, then click here. Okay, so I want to measure this, then you can see here 3 feet 6 inch. So I have told you the all setting of AutoCAD in the previous lesson. Now let us see how to draw a polyline. Okay, so click on the polyline and click anywhere on the workspace. After that, I want to create first of all 10 feet line, and after that I want to create in y direction 3 feet line. After that, again I want to create 15 feet line. Okay, and again I want to create in upward direction 4 feet line, 4 feet line. Okay, now exit this command. You can see here the line is single. Okay, here you can see if we select this a single object, then all the line has been selected. If we had taken this line command to draw the line like this, then if we select the line, then it will select from here to here only, here to here only, here to here only, and here to here only. Okay, so this is the only difference between line and polyline. So in this way we can draw a polyline. If we want to draw a polyline with the help of command, then simply click on PL and enter, and it will take the polyline, and you can draw a polyline like this. Okay, after that, construction line. How will you draw a construction line? Construction line is very important to draw the elevation and section from the plan of the building. Okay, so to draw a construction line, just simply give a command XL and enter, and you will see if I click here, then it will take a construction line in y direction and x direction. Okay, so you have taken the construction line. So this construction line goes to the infinitive in x direction and y direction also. After that, we have to modify this line to draw a plan and elevation from the of the building. Okay,